In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete messages in Slack, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fix a typo, update information, or remove a message you no longer want in a channel or direct message. Start by opening Slack and logging in. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the channel or conversation where your message appears. Find the specific message you want to change. Move your mouse over that message and you'll see a small toolbar appear along the right edge. Click the three dots icon to open the More Actions menu. From that menu, choose Edit Message. Your original text will open in a message box so you can make your changes. This is the best time to correct spelling, adjust details, or add missing context. When you're happy with the update, click Save Changes. Slack won't send a notification to other people when you edit, but they may see an edited indicator on the message. If the change is significant, it's a good practice to add a brief note like updated for accuracy to keep everyone in the loop. Also note that some workspaces limit who can edit and how long messages remain editable, so if you don't see the option, your admin may have set restrictions. Now let's remove a message you no longer need. Hover your mouse over the message you want to delete to reveal that same toolbar and click the three dots icon again. From the menu, select Delete Message. Slack will ask you to confirm to prevent accidental removals. Click Delete one more time to finalize. This action is permanent, so once you confirm, the message is gone for everyone in the conversation. If you think you might need the content later, copy it somewhere safe before deleting. And just like editing, deletion can be restricted by your organization's settings or retention policies. A few quick tips as you use these options. Only messages you've sent are editable and deletable by default, unless your workspace grants broader permissions. Consider editing when you're refining or clarifying a point and deleting when the message is truly unnecessary or incorrect. If you're correcting something that others have already reacted to or referenced, an edit with a brief note is often the most transparent approach. That's it. You've learned how to edit and delete messages in Slack with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice on a test channel to get comfortable before making changes in important conversations.